Sunod-sunod ang naging pasabog na revelasyon ng dating aktres na si Jackie Forster tungkol sa paghihiwalay ng kanyang anak na si Kobe Paras at kapuso actress na si Kylene Alcantara. Matapos mag-viral ang mga cryptic post niya sa social media, nagsalita na nga si Jackie tungkol sa nalalaman niya hinggil sa controversial breakup ni Kobe at Kylene. Sa pamamagitan ng isang video na ipinost niya sa Instagram kagabi, April 27, kinumpirma ni Jackie na hiwalay na nga ang celebrity couple kasabay ng paglilinaw na never nag-cheat ang anak. Pinaliwanag din ni Jackie na naiwasan sana umano ang kung ano-anong naglalabasang espekulasyon at akusasyon ngayon laban sa anak na si Kobe kung hindi raw nakiusap si Kylene sa ama ni Kobe na si Benji Paras. So much of this mess could have been avoided if people on Kylene's team didn't ask Benji to tell the public that they were still okay. Why couldn't they admit it? Because of contracts, pahayag ni Jackie. Naniniwala rin si Jackie na ang kampo umano ni Kylene ang nasa likod ng pagpapalabas na manloloko si Kobe. Ito ay may kinalaman daw sa mga kontrata ni Kylene kaya hindi pa nito diretsahang maamin na hiwalay na sila ni Kobe. Aniya, some things were said and done, that were, let's say red flag. For the next few months, Kobe had a few more encounters with Kylene's parents that really put them off. Sa katunayan, nag-effort pa raw ang anak nila ni Benji na maayos ang issue nila ni Kylene pero may ginawa at nasabi raw kay Kobe ang aktres na tinawag niyang unforgivable. So, he finally left. Kobe gives his all. He's generous. He's kind. He sticks to one but when he made to feel a certain way, he's done. Hindi rin daw maintindihan ni Jackie kung bakit hinahayaan lamang ni Kylene na tawaging cheater si Kobe gayong wala naman talagang third party involved sa breakup nila. Si Kobe Paras ang nakipaghiwalay kay Kylene Alcantara hindi raw cheater. You're allowing Kobe to be painted as the villain. All because he didn't want to be with you anymore, saad ng dating aktres. Isa pang revelation ni Jackie tungkol daw kay Kylene, you let him borrow your car and stay at your place while he was waiting on the condo that he wanted to buy, only for you and your family to belittle him. He was there because you asked, and he stayed because he wanted to try. Trying to make it all work. Sinabi rin nito na umalis na si Kobe sa relasyon dahil sa mga ginagawang pananakit ni Kylene. He was already distant. You're grabbing his phone and you physically assaulted him and in a manner that was provoking. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you put Kobe in that position? Why do you need to be violent? Mahabang, pahayag ni Jackie.